This is a third experiment in Alex Gyver tutorial on nRF24. Here we have a transmitting nRF24, and here is the sketch. Link to the sketch will be given below the video. It's transmitting to sketch, and this is receiving nRF24, and the sketch for it is here. Again, link will be given below. And what happens is when we start the serial monitor, we see that transmitter transmits something, and the receiver obtains something. And if we put this side by side, we will see that the transmitter sends a signal like 200 something, and receiver gets something. The numbers are very fast, but as you can see, transmit, receive, transmit, receive. They are the same numbers. It goes very fast, very fast. So this shows that the two modules are working. They are transmitting and receiving, in this case, numbers. Thank you.